everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English F, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Hello, Emily. It is so good to be here with you today. How are you?
I'm great, thank you. I'm very happy to be here. How about you, Paul?
I'm good too. The sun is shining, and I am ready to talk about a great topic.
Yes, it's a super helpful topic. Today, we are going to talk about daily life, how to talk about our day.
That's right. It's one of the first things you talk about when you meet someone. How was your day? What do you do every day?
Exactly, and it's a simple way to practice English. Before we start, please like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to our channel. It helps us a lot.
Yes, please do. Thank you so much. Okay, Emily, let's start. What do you do in the morning?
In the morning, I wake up at 7. Then I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth. What about you?
I wake up a little later, at 8. I like to drink a glass of water first. After that, I make coffee.
Ah, coffee is important. I make coffee too. Then I eat breakfast. I usually eat bread and butter. It's very simple.
I like to eat eggs for breakfast. Eggs and toast.
It's a good breakfast. After that, I check my email on my computer.
Me too. I check my phone and my email. It's a habit. Then I start work.
What time do you start work, Paul?
I start work at 9:30. Today, I am working from home.
I start work at 9. I work from home, so I just sit at my desk. It's easy.
I have a meeting every morning at 10.
A meeting is a good way to start the day. It's good for talking to your colleagues.
Yes, and I like my colleagues. They're very friendly.
My colleagues and I talk about our weekend or our hobbies.
My colleagues and I talk about our projects. We have many projects to finish. It's busy.
My day is busy too. I have many things to do, a long to-do list.
Me too. I write my list every morning. It helps me remember everything.
That's a good tip.
After my morning work, I eat lunch. Lunch is at 12. I eat something fast, like a sandwich.
Lunch is a good break. I like to eat a salad for lunch. It's light and fresh.
After lunch, I work again. I work until 5.
I stop work at 5:30. My workday is a little longer.
And after work, what's next? I like to go to the gym. I exercise for 1 hour.
I walk in the park near my house. I walk for 30 minutes.
Walking is good exercise too. It's relaxing.
After my walk, I go home and cook dinner.
I cook simple food like pasta or chicken with vegetables.
I love cooking. I cook something new every week.
After dinner, I relax. I watch a TV show.
I watch a movie or a TV series. I like comedy shows.
I read a book before bed.
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Me too. 10 o'clock is my bedtime.
So that's my day, a typical day.
It's a good routine.
Now let's talk about some simple phrases for daily life.
Yes, let's do it. What's a good phrase to start with?
How about I wake up at? It's a perfect phrase to talk about your morning. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m.
Yes, and you can say the time, 7 a.m., 8, 6 in the morning. It's very clear.
Another good phrase is I eat breakfast, lunch, or dinner at. For example, I eat breakfast at 8 a.m.
That's a good one. You can talk about your food, too. I eat toast for breakfast.
Yes, so you have the time and the food. Very good.
What about work? For work, you can say, I start work at 9 a.m. and I finish work at 5 p.m.
Perfect. And if you don't work, you can say, I go to school or I study.
That's right. These are very common phrases.
And for activities after work, what can you say?
You can say, I go to the gym, I go for a walk, or I cook dinner.
Yes, I cook dinner at 6. It's simple and clear.
And for relaxing, you can say, I watch TV, I read a book, or I listen to music.
These are all great for talking about your free time after work.
So let's review. To talk about your day, you can use these simple structures.
I wake up at.
I eat.
I start work at.
I finish work at.
I go to the.
I cook.
I watch.
I go to bed at.
Wow, that is a lot of good phrases, and they are easy to use.
Me too. Let's try a small role play. I will ask you about your day.
Okay, I'm ready. You ask me.
What time do you wake up, Paula?
I wake up at 8.
And what do you do after you wake up?
I drink water, then I make coffee.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and toast for breakfast.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9:30.
And what do you do after work?
I go to the gym.
And what do you do in the evening?
I cook dinner and watch a TV show.
Wow, you answered all the questions perfectly. Good job.
Thank you. It's easy with these simple phrases. Now my turn to ask you.
Okay, I'm ready.
What time do you wake up, Emily?
I wake up at 7.
And what do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and butter.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5.
What do you do after work?
I go for a walk in the park.
And what do you do before bed?
I read a book.
That's great, Emily. You did a good job too.
Yes, it's all about using simple phrases.
And you can change the words to fit your life.
If you don't work, you can say, I go to school at 8 a.m.
And if you don't cook, you can say, I order food or I eat at a restaurant.
Exactly. It's a recipe for talking about your day.
I love that. A conversation recipe.
Let's talk about daily chores.
Chores are things we do in the house, like cleaning.
I do the dishes after dinner.
I do the dishes too, and I clean the kitchen every day.
I take out the trash on Mondays and Thursdays.
I do laundry on the weekend.
These are all good phrases for chores.
What about hobbies?
I play the guitar every day.
I like to draw in my sketchbook.
You can also say, I listen to podcasts or I play video games.
And you can say how often you do it.
This helps people understand you better.
What if it's the weekend?
My weekend is very different.
I wake up late, no alarm.
I make pancakes.
I go to the market on Saturday.
I meet my friends at a coffee shop.
I visit my family.
Sunday is for relaxing.
I prepare food for the week.
The structure is the same.
Morning, afternoon, evening, night.
Wake up, eat, work, cook, read, sleep.
In the morning, I wake up.
In the evening, I cook dinner.
You can practice by writing.
Writing helps you learn English.
In summary, you can talk about your day easily.
These topics are great for conversation.
Thank you so much, Paul.
Me too, Emily.
Thank you to all our listeners.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
Leave a comment below.
Tell us about your morning or hobby.
Goodbye, everyone, and see you next time on Mr. English.
Bye. Have a good day.